done being vague about falling in love. When I sing the word you, I want them to know who I'm talking to. She broke my heart, but it wasn't her fault. 'Cause you don't get to choose who loves you. I hit every green light driving from the city back to New Jersey. I guess they didn't want me to stay. Living in close proximity makes you want to reach out to former flames. But I'll be across the Hudson, keeping away. 'Cause I fell in love with her once, and I would do it again. I fell in love with her once, and I would do it again. I'm done wasting away in that apartment with half a month's rent to my name. I gave up my youth for a careless pursuit, and I'm wondering if my motives have changed. Night after night I spin through the suburbs, the parkway knows my name. I'm talking to strangers and pretending you don't live a couple of miles away. 'Cause I fell in love with her once, and I would do it again. I fell in love with her once, and I would do it again. I fell in love with her once, and I would do it again. I fell in love with her once, and I would do it again. Night after night I keep having the same dream. She sits next to me on the train, takes my hand between her fingers, stares at the wall and explains, you don't get to choose who loves you. You don't get to choose who loves you. There's no one in the city